So the moment that many have been waiting for is happening today. RLUSD is going live, and XRP price as of right now is loving it, up about 8.5% on the day. And I want to talk about what exactly this launch entails, what our expectations should be, and where price may be headed both in the short and long term. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. I love seeing days like this. I love that XRP is kind of leading the pace for these US based crypto. We obviously know that XRP is up about 8.67% at the time of filming this video. XLM is having a good day as well. HBAR, Algo, ADA starting to do well today as well. And if you guys haven't noticed, XRP is kind of leading the way for US based crypto. They're all kind of moving in tandem right now. It's kind of a sector wide move. And this is something, again, that can be big for XRP Ledger. It can be big for Ripple because it brings additional liquidity to the space. It makes operation even easier. Now, the thing that people need to be aware of is this is only going live on select exchanges today. It's going to be kind of a slower rollout per se. So it's going to be live on MoonPay, Uphold, CoinMana, Bitso, and ArchXX. Okay, the company stated they aim to launch the stablecoin on other platforms like Bullish, Bitstamp, Mercado, Bitcoin, and many others over the next few weeks. And again, we're going to see this come to other ecosystems as well. Ethereum, we're going to see it come to Cardano at some point as well. So this is, again, a big stablecoin that has the opportunity to rival, potentially USDT, but definitely USDC and DAI because of the liquidity and the use within the Ripple ecosystem in general. So this is a very big deal. Now, XRP price is in fact on the move, like we talked about. We had talked about it potentially having the opportunity to break $3, and that is completely within the realm of possibility. In fact, when we just take a look at some of these fib retracement levels here, let's see if that's the one. You guys can see that actually the 1618 levels right up around the $3.50 range, and the 2618 line is actually up at about $4.50. This wouldn't surprise me at all, but where things really get interesting is if we start looking at an even bigger, more blown out version of this, our 1618 line on this extension that we just saw over the past month and a half or so. Is that a month and a half? Yeah, about a month and a half or so. That actually has us up around that $4.50 range as well, but a possible extension up to about $7. But where this gets kind of crazy is we don't know what kind of impact, for example, the EVM side chain is going to have. We don't know what type of impact smart contracts are going to have. And frankly, XRP has entered an area that it hasn't been in quite some time, and that's price discovery. All right. We have gone through years and years of suppression when it comes to XRP in general. And that's why right now it easily blew past its 2021 high, which normally doesn't happen at this time for assets. But frankly, it is closing in very quickly on its 2018 high in just the start of alt season, before we've had big adoption, before we have an XRP spot ETF, before even these regulatory headwinds that we've been fighting against are cleared, right? That is where there is in fact so much potential for XRP. This is the top 10 coins and their projected market caps I did kind of early on. This was actually in the bear market cycle. This was before we had any clarity about XRP. This is before we had the new incoming administration that's pro crypto. This is before the potential of US based cryptos not having capital gains tax. Now, while some of that stuff still is just talk and it hasn't really come together yet, but that is where, for example, $300 billion market cap could frankly be shattered by XRP. All right. So I had talked, I think about, what was it? Potentially $8 to $10 XRP. It could even be a little higher than that still. This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. But if there is enough traction that is gained, if things continue to go the right way for XRP in general, we might have to start talking about the flippening when it comes to Ethereum. All right. Right now, that would be, what's that? Just over a 3x from here. That is a move that frankly is possible. Now, that being said, obviously Ethereum is going to gain traction and move up as well as this cycle moves on, as there are more layer twos launched, that's kind of the way that market cycles work. But we may in fact see XRP become once again the second largest crypto in the US. Kind of a wild thought, right? People thought that it was done and it was gone away, and this regulatory issues that it was dealing with were going to be a big problem. They're not looking like it right now. So at this point, it's all just kind of speculation because there are so many things excuse me, that could in fact go right with XRP. There are so many potential white swan events that could bring XRP into a new era. Price discovery is unpredictable. Things can move very, very quickly. But I will say it's a very exciting time in Ripple and XRP's life cycle. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know where you think XRP is going to run to in this cycle. But have a great day. Show your love. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.